Hey friends, if you wish to fix d3dx9 underscore 43.dll missing error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's what you need to understand. Okay. So whenever we face an issue with DLL missing, it means that a certain system file or a program file is missing, and in this case, our first approach should be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and then click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. This is one solution. The next solution is to reinstall Microsoft C++ Visual Redistributable. So search for Microsoft C++ Visual Redistributable. Okay, and then go to the download section and then go to this download section. Scroll down and select x84 and then click on open. Okay, and then select repair and let it repair the entire package. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.